smart bidet toilet for your premium lifestyle. Let's start with installation. These are the provided components for installation. Turn off the tap to stop the water supply. Use the provided template to check the space. Connect the T-valve to the water supply. Connect the strainer filter to the T-valve. Connect the hose to the strainer filter. Place the wax ring on the flange. Place the ceramic bowl on the wax ring. Secure the ceramic bowl with nuts. Take the hose out through the back opening. Connect the hose to the bidet part. Make sure it is aligned to be fastened smoothly. Align the circled parts correctly so that the bidet part and ceramic bowl can be securely installed. You will hear a click sound from all 4 hooks if they are securely installed. Turn on the tap to open water supply. Plug into an outlet. Make sure the LED light is on. Install the remote control at your preferred location. Now, let's move on to the function. Tankless system provides direct water from the water supply for a clean operation. When the sensor detects the movement, the lid will automatically open and close. Just leave, it will flush. Automatic flushing system provides a hands-free operation. Tornado flush swirls and cleans waste efficiently. Heated seat can be adjusted into 3 different temperatures. 4 inches wide seat designed ergonomically provides the utmost comfort to users. Self-cleaning nozzle function offers hygienic usage. 3 bidet functions in 1 nozzle with warm water includes posterior wash, feminine wash, and turbo wash. 5 adjustable water pressures will maximize your comfort. Built-in air dryer with 3 different adjustable temperatures helps reduce toilet paper usage. Built-in Deodorizer instantly removes unpleasant odors. Thank you for choosing VOVO Smart Bidet Toilet.